All right, we are back here with Emily Simmons from the McCurdy Group, and she covers home and auto insurance policies. So I want to ask you this. We'll say hi, Emily.
Hi, guys.
Hi. So I want to ask you this: what happens if? What happens when I want to buy a new car?
Right.
And how do I transfer
about
the title
doing that?
over? Do you guys do that?
Yep.
Do you do? What does somebody do if they have to buy a new car?
Sure. So there's obviously a bunch of ways you can go out and purchase a new car. Typically, a lot of what we see is you're going to a dealership, you're trading in your current vehicle, and you're driving off with something new. If you know you're going to be going out that weekend or in the next week or so, planning on trading in your car, just give us a call. Just give us a heads up and say, hey, I'm thinking of trading in my current vehicle. I'm going to be looking at X, Y, and Z dealerships. And then that way, when we get paperwork or a phone call from that dealership, we'll already know that, hey, this is okay, this transaction's happening.
Right.
They already told us about it. If not, and if we get a phone call or paperwork from a dealership, then we need to then just track you down and just confirm that this is actually something that you're doing, and then we're not signing off paperwork and sending it without your approval. So
Gotcha.
Sorry, go ahead.
If I get a newer car that's more expensive, does my premium go up? Or if I get a lesser car, does my premium go down?
You know, that is a very difficult question to answer.
Okay.
Because you would think a newer vehicle that's more expensive would be more expensive to insure, and most of the times it is.
Sure.
The parts are more expensive. There's so many different factors that go into that. However, if you are buying a not so safe vehicle, even though it may be older, that may be more expensive to insure as well.
Wow, really?
Yeah, because all the different safety ratings
Right.
and all of those
Seatbelts and all that stuff.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
airbags, all of that kind of stuff. So
Well, there we go.
yeah,
Okay.
it's a crapshoot sometimes. You never
It's a
know what you're
crapshoot.
gonna get until you hit submit, and then
See what happens.
all those
wish
numbers.
wish for the best.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, so you definitely
funny.
want to give us a call. Let us know if you want the same coverages that you have on your current vehicle. Another good thing that comes up when purchasing a new vehicle is gap insurance. So gap insurance covers the difference between your loan amount and the actual cash value amount of a vehicle if your vehicle was totaled in an accident.
Right.
So if you owe, say, $15,000 left on your car, you total it, and the actual cash value ends up only being 11,
Right.
you're still held responsible for
the
that
other
$4,000.
Gotcha.
So that gap insurance kind of picks up the gap between those two amounts and covers you. A lot of dealerships will offer gap insurance through the purchase of the car. Don't do it. Get it through us. Get it through your auto policy. It's
less
10 times
expensive.
cheaper.
There we go.
Yeah. So
That's why the dealers try to sell that stuff to you.
yes, exactly. I know.
Very cool.
I bought a new car last year, and
Yeah.
the guy was like, "Oh, do you want this and that?" I said, "No, I'm all set. I already have it through my own policy." So
Gotcha. Very cool.
yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you for answering those questions, and we will catch you guys next time on one of these episodes where we get some information from people at McCurdy Group.
Sounds good. Thank
Awesome.
you.